Now, a fifth suspect in the Hillary Gardee murder case is expected to appear in court in Mbombela this morning. Police arrested him after apprehending the fourth suspect on Thursday. The suspect has been linked to Gardee through her cell phone and laptop. He's charged with defeating the ends of justice. Let's go to our reporter, Silindelo Masikane, who has more on the developments for us. Sli, has the court case started yet? What are we expecting if it hasn't?
Not as yet, Maseko. We know, of course, that a fifth suspect has been arrested in connection with the murder of Hillary Gardee. Her body, of course, found back in April. We know that the first three suspects were arrested a few days after the discovery of her body, and subsequent to that, we have had a bail application that was denied for accused number 1. Accused number 2 and 3 are currently applying for bail. But just to give us more context as to the investigations and where we are, because we know that there is a fourth suspect who also is still due to appear. I'm joined by Brigadier Salvi Mohlala. Thank you so much for your time this morning, sir. Maybe let's go back and track back to exactly how we got here. We first had 3 suspects, but now we're up to 5. Maybe take us as to how investigations have brought us here.
Well, our investigation is going very well. Last week on Thursday, we managed to arrest the fourth suspect in Gardee Springs. And he was found in possession of an unlicensed firearm. And then he has been appearing in various courts because he is linked to multiple murder cases, 4 of them if I want to be precise. 2 in Kanyamazan, the one that we are linking with from the Delmas, and then this one of Hillary Gardee. He appeared in Delmas Magistrate Court, of which the case has been postponed to the 22nd of August. That is next week, Monday. And then yesterday he has been appearing at Kanyamazan in connection with the killing of 2 sisters. And his case has been postponed as well. So we expect him to appear before the Nelspruit Magistrate Court probably next week, Tuesday, with regard to this one of the killing of Hillary Gardee. And then on Sunday, through our investigation as well, we managed to take one Nigerian national for questioning. He's in his mid-30s. And fortunately enough, by yesterday we had sufficient evidence from what we detected from the questioning, and then we charged him with defeating the ends of justice, and then he's due to appear before the Nelspruit Magistrate Court today. And how we linked him, it was through the cell phone and the laptop of the deceased. So we've got a strong case from our side as the police, and we hope that we're not going to be limited by the number of suspects that we have arrested. We'll continue in terms of investigation. If a push comes to a pool where we're supposed to arrest as many suspects as possible, we will arrest them for as long as these are the correct suspects. And for now, we are definitely sure that these are the correct suspects that we have arrested.
You know, there's been a lot of rumors as well as accusations coming from the Gardee family in particular when it comes to the involvement of probably King Swati in this particular matter. Is the police investigating across our borders as well?
Well, without disclosing much of our investigation, I must indicate that from the beginning we have been saying that we are going to work at our pace. We don't have a pressure from anyone, and we are not going to allow any pressure from anyone. Our detectives are very seasoned. When we investigate something that we've got a lead and we are sure of that we are going to have positive outcomes of it. We are not going to take each and every rumor that comes in and say that somebody is involved in this particular case, because you know some of these allegations might derail us from the proper investigation. For now, like I've indicated, we are very happy with our investigation, and we hope that the outcomes of all this particular investigation is going to take us towards the positive direction where the suspect that we have arrested, for now, we are correct, and we are definitely sure that they are the suspects that are involved in this particular case. So we don't want to involve the issues of Kim Swati for now, because it's not something that is coming from us as the South African Police Service.
Maybe then moving forward, because I know with cases like these that take some time, people can become quite impatient. Maybe as the police, would you encourage people to just let justice in this case take its course?
Correct. You are correct. You put it very correctly. People must leave the police to do their job. I mean, we've got people that are educated and have got experience in terms of doing this particular job, and it becomes more easier if I do my job freely, so without being pressurized by any other people. Because the impression that is being created out there is that the police are not doing anything, and with the speedy arrest that we have done, one would see that our colleagues are doing very good wonders in this particular case, and I hope the community will understand that we must be given some space so that we can work accordingly and according to the book, so that whenever we get a prosecution, it will be something that is correct and something that we are not going to regret and say that people have been arrested wrongfully so, and then we face civil claims and so on and so forth. So the police must be given the space to do their job.
Just lastly then, with the accused number 5, I understand at this point we're still waiting for the docket to arrive so that he can make his first appearance.
Well, we're waiting for him. He is around. We are still waiting for the court to give us the correct moment that you say now we can go inside. But he is around. We are ready. We've been ready from yesterday. We're just waiting for the court to just give us the exact time right now.
All right. Thank you so much, Brigadier.
Much appreciated.
Okay, that is Brigadier Salvi Mohlale outside the Nelspruit Magistrates Court. Give us a sense as to the investigations around the Hillary Gardee murder. Suspect number 5 has been arrested. We are just awaiting his first appearance in court, and of course suspect number 4 is expected to make his first appearance in this particular matter next week.
All right, Silindelo Masikane live for us outside the Nelspruit Magistrates Court. Let's leave it there for now.